Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to move a group of parts radially. This is going to be one of the coolest things you've seen in a while. So we're going to use a plugin that I love, Building Tools F3X. And so we're going to move all these little archways closer to the center. So we click on this move tool, and let's see, we want to move locally. Oh, what if I got selected the whole model? Okay, so let me select the arches. Instead of moving all the arches, we're saying instead of global, which would move everything, we're going to do local, which means for each part, move it and copy the movement radially of the other ones. So look, we can make them all go out farther. That'd be kind of cool. But I feel like they're just kind of impersonal because you're so far away from them all. I want them to be more like looming and ominous, so I want to shrink them down. So let's, I want to, maybe it's collisions on. It'd be cool if they just stopped right when they touched. All right, let's try that. And then we'll, yeah, that's that. That's a cool tool. So I think I'm going to end this video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get monetized.